Welcome everybody, I'm Deidre.
I'm Darius.
We're Night Starks and we're here at the Magic Kingdom and we're going to do a tour around the Magic Kingdom Resort. It's kind of like a monorail crawl, but we're also including Wilderness Lodge and we're not doing all drinks, we're doing snacks. So a Halloween snack, Magic Kingdom Resort area crawl around for treats. That's a terribly long title, but that's what we're doing.
First things first, let's get a coffee.
Look at my little baby cup.
Where did this come from?
Oh no.
That like magic.
Such a fast coffee.
Oh, let's toast it.
Getting on a boat. What a nice night. This is perfect for Halloween treats. We're going on a boat. We're going on a boat.
We're on a boat. It's boat.
I don't know that we will ever get a chance to stay there. It's so expensive, but it's so pretty. And it's different. There's no other hotel that like is weird like that. I kind of love it. This looks so cool. I always forget how big this resort is. Oh man, we about to get wet. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's a rainbow. It's so pretty. All right, we're gonna go into Roaring Fork and see what kind of Halloween treats we can find. Always gotta get that perfect shot. What you mean?
Dia, chicken strips, mac and cheese.
I want mac and cheese.
Oh look, the Haunted Forest Apple Mousse Cake. That's really cute. We've never had much luck with mousse cakes. They always have that weird like, weird texture. But there's something even better here at Wilderness Lodge. I can't wait. Oh, they got s'mores tonight. Look at this guy. He's like, what s'mores? We're not even staying here.
You know
Come on.
what's so weird about that is so they're doing s'mores, right?
Yeah.
And like they got a whole Disney team in yellow shirts,
Yeah.
like to make sure that the fire is contained. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, they're handing out the marshmallows and stuff.
Right,
And making sure that nobody runs around with a marshmallow on fire like, fire!
Now compared to Cabana Bay, where like you just have a
Cabana Bay's
fire pit, like
here
here's
you
your
go.
s'mores. Just be smart about it.
All right, we made it over here. This is Geyser Point Bar and Grill. Wow, that sounded terrible. I said geyser. Geyser Point Bar and Grill. All the bar seats were taken, so we had to get a table for two. And you said the chairs were dangerous?
Yes, it's dangerous.
Are we filming each other?
We are filming it. But yes, chairs are dangerous. It's
Nice.
soft, cushiony. So a little bit of a breeze going on. It's not like scorching hot out here.
Oh my gosh, it's perfect evening.
Exactly, and
Yeah.
I feel like if you lean back and you got the fan blowing, so it's blowing on you,
Oh my
you might
gosh.
fall asleep before you know it.
Especially with all these tequilas that we're about to drink.
Exactly, you'll be like this.
These are the special food offerings right now. We are here for the Halloween margarita flight. You're gonna get the black magic margarita. Oh my gosh, is that shishito pepper? No, I don't want that one.
Oh, it's okay, I'll try it for you.
All right. It's apple and shishito pepper. That's
But I'm
weird.
pretty sure, I wonder could we...
No, it's one of each.
Oh, it is, okay.
Yeah, no substitutions. It's a Halloween flight. Pumpkin patch margarita, that's gonna be probably all me. You're gonna try it though, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
Okay.
I can't turn down a tequila.
And then I think we're both gonna like these.
Poison apple.
Yeah. And so these are going to be smaller portions, but you get all four. So let's give it a try. And I feel like we can't be disappointed with this. This is going to be much better than the mousse cake.
This is still a really good day.
Yeah.
It's a really good day.
Woohoo! Yeah.
Okay, so the one with the skull cube is the black magic, poison apple, blood orange, pumpkin patch.
I'm just going to take this one right here for me. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, look at this.
Thank you.
Oh, it is a pumpkin. It's a skull. How did they make that? That's so cool.
Because shake ice
Oh, yeah. Duh.
thing.
All right. You go first. Try the black magic first.
Oh, okay, sure.
shishito pepper infused lime juice, sweet and sour blue curacao, Granny Smith apple, grenadine skull, and El Jimador tequila.
Well, I'm glad you like actually told me what it was because I'm like.
Yeah, shishito pepper infused lime juice. So.
Ooh, that is good. It is. Yeah, okay. It doesn't mean. That is not bad.
I didn't think I would like a vegetable in my margarita, but that's really good. Right. This is poison apple margarita, lime, sweet and sour, Granny Smith apple, and tequila.
All right.
I have to tell you a funny story.
Oh, okay.
First time I ever got sick after drinking was with apple pucker, and I just instantly got nauseous.
Oh.
Yeah, I can't drink that one.
Okay.
Okay, it's all you. What do you think of the poison apple?
It's sour. It's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be, but I'll definitely drink that one.
All right, blood orange.
Blood orange?
Yeah.
This is blood orange. Can't smell anything right now, but it's okay. We're gonna.
No? Let me taste.
I don't know.
Let me try. Let me try.
Okay. Maybe we should drink the water first?
I feel like it's more like a grapefruit than an orange. I don't know. It's okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let me try this pumpkin patch.
All right, go ahead. Which one is that one again?
Pumpkin patch.
Pumpkin patch. Okay.
Yeah. Pumpkin spice, tequila, sweet and sour. I'm a little disappointed, but I'm still gonna drink it. Black magic was the best.
Cause that's a black magic woman. So if you follow us on Instagram or Facebook, I posted a reel and I used the Black Magic Woman song over the Voodoo Donut place. It surprisingly went well with the video. I'm gonna flurry it.
You're gonna flurry it?
Oh, it's all flurries.
We have been smelling s'mores the whole time we were sitting there. And there's free s'mores tonight. But I feel like if I have a free s'more, I won't have enough room in my dessert stomach for all the cake we're about to go eat.
Right, and I mean, that smells good over there.
Oh, I want one. The line for the little boat back to Magic Kingdom is super long. So we're gonna take the bus.
We're on
Earth. I wonder what would happen if I actually called this number. We're back to the Magic Kingdom. Let's go get on the resort monorail.
Resort monorail, ooh, let's go. It's not one, contemporary.
Look at that sunset. Highly recommend date night resort hopping around Magic Kingdom. This is so pretty. And then the Contempo Cafe. They have so many good desserts here. But this is why we're here, the Madame Leota dark chocolate cake. Please, 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 please. Oh my gosh, that's a really fudgy cake. Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
It's stuck. Oh jeez, now it's stuck to the knife. Okay, come on. That's good fudgy chocolate cake.
Good fudgy chocolate cake?
Mm-hmm.
It almost got like a pudding flavor to it.
Like a pudding? Yeah, it does have a pudding flavor. Yeah.
It's It's better than all the other cakes I've tried.
It's definitely better than any other cake we've ever tried at Disney, that's for sure. Good job, contemporary. All right, back on the monorail. Headed to the Polynesian now. It's a butt.
It's a tiki butt.
It's a tiki butt.
Or is it boutique?
Or is it a boutique? They've got a really cool party going on out here. They are out of the tomato chiffon cake.
Chiffon?
Chiffon.
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 I keep trying to say chiffon.
It's very popular. They make them at night. They prep them up. They'll be back tomorrow morning. I don't know how many they'll make.
But it's limited.
Yeah.
Definitely limited.
I'm very disappointed. Off to Grand Floridian.
To the Floridian we go, because we're Floridians.
Yeah. Hopefully they'll have something there to cheer me up. Oh my gosh, it smells so good in here. What?
Soon there will be a big, huge Christmas tree here.
I can't wait for Christmas. I can't wait! Look what I just spotted. We're walking to Gasparilla Island Grill. And holy cow. Wow. How cool is this? So the front looks like one of the tombstones. And it's got the wedding cake with a decapitated groom. And then the back side is like the wallpaper. And then it's like an egg, because you know Grand Floridian is known for like its... Wow, with the wallpaper and the portraits on the back side. We interrupt this video to tell you that that was chocolates. We just found out, read an article about it. I didn't even know it was there, but those were chocolates.
They are lucky.
You would have taken a bite out of it.
They should have put a barrier around it. They did not want me to get to it.
They put ropes.
You meant like, so this is the rope.
And that's the chocolate.
This is the chocolate.
Anyway,
that's the barrier.
Back to the Halloween fun. This is really good. I don't know who made these. This doesn't tell us. But it's really good. All right, that kind of made up for the no treat at Polynesian a little bit. All right, wasn't taking any chances this time. We mobile ordered. It looks like there's a black flame. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Oh my goodness. Wow, that's pretty. It looks like a candy corn. Alright, let's see if it tastes good. Look at our view. You got the castle way over there.
Yes.
My hair's in my face. We're like 5 floors up, so there is a breeze.
No, just ask someone down there by the tent. I thought that's what we were going to do, was going to ask somebody for two of the chairs.
Oh. No, we're gonna climb 5 flights of stairs so that we can eat our cake in peace, because there were children down there screaming and running around and running into us. So now we have a good view and we're alone and it's quiet. All right, let's taste this cake.
Like it. Whatever. It's like a vanilla cake.
Oh, you're not impressed? That's fine. I'll eat the rest of this one and you can have the chocolate one, because I
Alright.
love vanilla and you love chocolate, so it works out good.
Yes, it does.
Tonight was fun.
Tonight really was fun.
I think my favorite thing was the Black Magic margarita.
I did not think a pepper
A pepper made it.
Yeah, I did not think that would be a thing.
I would say if you're gonna get any Halloween type stuff around here at Magic Kingdom Resorts, I would get the Black Magic Margarita. And if you're not a drinker, the Black Flame Candle Cake here at Grand Floridian. I really wish we could have tried the Tamatoa, but it's a chocolate chiffon cake, so I'm sure it's good.
I never really been too big of a fan of chiffon cakes, so it's
Maybe it's for the best then. Yeah.
well for me, but I mean for you.
I just like to try all the things. I don't know.
Yeah.
We're gonna leave you with some very far away fireworks. I don't know, I just have a goal to try like different spots for fireworks around the resorts, and then we'll probably head home because you're yawning.
Sorry, because how quiet it is, and you hear the little crickets.
The crickets.
And then like that right amount of wind is blowing, it's...
And the splashes from the boats. Oh jeez. Oh no, we can't see it very well from here. Okay, so the ones up high we're not gonna be able to see, but the castle ones we will. Two out of 10 would give this spot for fireworks. You can hear the music and it's very private, but you can't see very much. All right. Thank you so much for trekking with us, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.